Assalamualaikum. Okay, so for the previous lesson, you have learned how to find the probability distribution table for discrete random variables, and also you are exposed how to find the probability using the probability distribution table. So today we proceed with the next topic, which is the cumulative distribution function. Notationnya adalah capital Fx. Okay, capital Fx. Before this, kalau probability distribution function, it is small fx. Okay, this one. Probability distribution, small fx. Kalau cumulative distribution function, dipanggil, dia punya notation, capital fx. Ataupun kadang-kadang, hanyalah dipanggil ni sahaja. Distribution function is given, means that the capital fx is given. Okay, walaupun dia tak sebut cumulative distribution function sahaja adalah represent the cumulative distribution function, capital Fx. Okay, alright. So to find the cumulative distribution function for discrete random variables, this is the important thing that you should know. Okay, notationnya capital Fx. This is, which is, it is the probability of the random variable x is less than or equal to some value of x. Less than or equal. Tak boleh less than saja. Less than or equal. Okay, untuk discrete, it very strict. Okay, kalau ada equal ataupun tidak tu. Okay, very strict. Sebab dia, sebab ini adalah discrete, bukan continuous. Kalau continuous, tak ada masalah. Dia punya tu, boleh, it can be expressed in decimal places kan. So, kalau discrete, equal dengan not equal, less than equal dengan less than sahaja tu berbeza. Okay, so let's say here, dia kata kat sini from the random variable m, okay, let's say ini adalah example. From the correct matches in example 3.2, if you can see from the example 3.2, dekat sini we have, okay, so dekat sini dia punya ni, okay, saya tulis balik kat sini. Dia punya PDF table adalah dia punya small m, which mean the possible value for the random variable is 0, 0, 1 and 3. And dia punya small fm lah. Okay. Small fm, which is the probability for m occur. Okay, for m0, for m1, for m3 occur. Is untuk 0 dia adalah 1/3. Untuk 1 adalah, ya betul ke 1/3 here? Betul. Here is 3. Yes, 3/6. Kat sini actually do 2/6. And then here is 1/6. 3, 4. Total of this will be 1 kat sini ataupun 2/6 or 1/3. So this is the PDF table. PDF table, probability distribution table. Okay, so sekarang kita nak tukar daripada PDF table ke dalam bentuk cumulative distribution. So apa yang you kena buat? Cumulative ni adalah terkumpul, value yang terkumpul. So we should start with here, dia punya range. Okay, so when m less than 0, kenapa 0? Sebab the least value kat sini, paling kecil kat sini adalah 0. So m less than 0, dia punya value probability is 0. Kan? Less than 0, kurang dari kosong, value-nya 0. Okay, and then from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 from 0 to m more than or equal to 0 but less than 1. Less than 1 maksudnya 1 tak termasuk. So it will be just this value only, 1/3 sahaja. Sebab tu kat sini 1/3. Okay, and then ni maksudnya kat sini kalau kita boleh tuliskan, it will be f0 is 0, which is this value. capital F, capital, sorry. F0 is probability of, okay, kita tengok sini. Dia punya cara tulis ni. Capital Fx adalah probability of x less than or equal to some value of x. So it will be probability of m. Sini kita punya variable m less than or equal to 0. Di sini sebab di sini 0, di sini 0. So less than or equal to 0 is here 1/3. Which is 1/3. Okay, daripada ni. Okay, and then how about F1? Okay, it will be probability of capital M less than or equal to 1. So it will be probability of M equal to 0 plus probability of M equal to 1. And less than or equal to 1. So 0 and 1. So it will be 1/3 plus 3/6. So the answer will be 5/6 that we put here. Okay, so it is M from more than or equal to 1, less than 3. Tak termasuk 3. So 0 dan 1 sahaja. Okay, and then the next one will be, I tulis kat sini ataupun sikit. Okay, capital F3. Okay, tadi 0, 1 and 3. Okay, 0, 1 and 3. So it will be probability of M less than or equal to 3, which is probability of M equal to 0 plus probability of M equal to 1 plus probability of M equal to 3, which is we add all the probability that we have here. It will be 1 because of that. It is 1 and rendition kat sini will be M more than or equal to 3. More than or equal to 3. Yang ni tadi tak termasuk 3, yang ni 3. Okay, kat sini kenapa, if you are wondering kenapa tak ada 0, 1 and 2 kat sini tak ada, because of kita punya possible value daripada example 3.2 tu hanya ada 0, 1 and 3 sahaja. Okay, it depends pada the situation. Right, so because of this PDF table, so we will use this possible value of M untuk create this range. Okay, so ini adalah cumulative distribution function for this situation, for this example. Okay, let's see this one. This one pun sama. Okay, this one dikatakan, okay, daripada example 3.9 page 105, dia punya PDF adalah this one. Sebenarnya dia punya bagi function ni, function fx equal to 1/16 and 4cx. Okay, 4cx untuk x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so kalau kita buat dalam bentuk distribution table, it will be x0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Dia punya small fx ataupun px kat sini will be, okay, untuk 0, 4c0, 1/16 here. Untuk di sini it will be 4c1 is 4, 4/16 dekat sini. Dekat sini bila 4c2 it will be 4c2 also 4/16. Okay, true. 4c2 4c2 is 6. So 6/16. Sorry, it is 6 here 6/16, and 4C3 will be 4/16, and then last kali 1/16. So this is the PDF table. So from this PDF we can create the CDF. Okay, cumulative distribution table. So the first one, F0, means that the probability of when x less than or equal to 0, which means this value 1/16. This one plus F1, which means probability of x less than or equal to 1. It means probability untuk x0 dan 1 less than or equal to 1. So 0 and 1. So we need just add these two. 1 plus 4 will be 5/16. Okay, sama juga dengan yang lain-lain. And then we create this the interval here. Here, when x less than 0, here 0. This one, x more than or equal to 0, but less than 1. Okay, but less than 1 maksudnya 1 tak termasuk. Ini 2 tak termasuk. Okay, so this one will be dia punya cumulative cumulative value. Okay, untuk this one, last kali ni, x more than or equal to 4, termasuk dengan 4 ke atas 1. So, kalau lebih daripada 4 pun dia punya value x, dia punya probability still 1. Sebab kita punya range sehingga 4 sahaja. So, this is the distribution. Cumulative distribution function for discrete random variables. Okay, let's see pula. So let's say we have this CDF. Okay, we have this CDF. Okay, sebelum ni when we have this PDF, kan, PDF table, kita ada PDF table. Okay, then kita boleh nak cari probability of x more than or equal to 1 contohnya. So, you boleh buat probability of x equal to 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4 kan, sebab dia more than or equal to 1. So, you just add this 4, you akan dapatlah 15/16. And then, nak cari pula probability of x equal to 3. Just boleh ambil daripada table, the answer will be 4/16 contohnya. Okay. Okay, so daripada situ kita boleh terus we can find the probability using the PDF table yang kita ada. Okay, but now if we have this CDF, kita tak ada di PDF ni, kita ada CDF saja. Kita ada CDF, kita nak cari nilai probability pun boleh. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, as we know, let's see, kita tak ada table ni atas ni. Kita tak ada table ni. Okay, kita tak ada table ni. Kita ada function ini sahaja. Macam mana nak cari probability of x more than or equal to 1? Okay. Sedangkan value di sini adalah value cumulative. Cumulative ni adalah value yang less than or equal to some value of x. Okay, so and then we know that total semua sekali adalah satu nilai probability. So di sini we can find the probability of, boleh tak kita kata macam ni, x, okay, probability of x more than or equal to 1 equal sama juga dengan probability when the probability of 1 minus dengan probability of x less than or equal to 0. Okay, kita nak yang lebih dan equal to 1. 1 ke atas. So, kita tolak 0 ke bawah. Betul tak? So, it will be 1 minus probability of 1 over, okay, this part seolah-olah ini kita tahu this term sebab dia less than or equal to, kita kena jadikan less than or equal to sebab apa? Sebab kita ada value yang less than or equal to ni sebab dia value cumulative. So di sini ini adalah F0. So because of that kita tahu F0 adalah 1/16 ni di sini. So 1 minus 1/16, jawapannya 15/16. Sama dengan sini. Let's say kat sini dia tak bagi this table, dia hanya bagi function ni saja. Okay. So, you kena tukar dulu sebab ni more than or equal to. Tak boleh nak gunakan CDF. So, we need to transform sikit ke dalam bentuk CDF. Dalam bentuk less than equal. Sebab apa? Sebab kita nak ambil value less than equal ni. Nak guna that value untuk cari probability. How about this one? Macam mana nak cari probability of X equal to 3? Kena ambil yang less than. Okay, if I do this, value of X less than or equal to 3, 3 ke bawah, tolak X less than or equal to 2, 2 ke bawah. 3 ke bawah, tolak 2 ke bawah. Tinggallah 3, betul tak? Is it true? Then kenapa I buat macam ni? Sebab bila kita tulis X less than or equal to 3, means that it is capital F3. This one adalah capital F, sorry, bukan equal to tolak. It is this is minus. So it will be, where is it? F3? It is here. 15 over 16 minus dengan F2 here. 11 over 16. The answer is 4 over 16. Okay, which is this value. Okay, kalau kita ada this PDF table, tak ada masalah, boleh cari senang. Kalau tak ada, you kena gunakan the CDF. If CDF is given. Let's say nak tanya, soalan tanya, find the probability of X less than or equal to 2. Okay, so boleh terus ambil sebab probability of X less than or equal to 2 adalah equal to F2. So the answer will be 11 over 16. Terus boleh ambil. Alright. So that's it. Okay, how about nak cari probability of X less than 2. Tadi less than or equal to boleh terus ambil sebab it is F2. Kalau less than saja tak sama. Dia tak sama dengan less than or equal to 2. So you kena adjust dia jadi less than equal. So it will be sama juga dengan probability of X less than or equal to 1. Is it true? Less than 2 maksudnya less than or equal to 1. So the answer is capital F1. Which is 5 over 16. Kan ni? F1. 5 over 16. Right? Okay, let's see another example. Okay, ini. Okay, ni dia bagi PDF. So, first of all, try buat dulu CDF dia. Macam mana nak cari CDF for this? So, the first one. Okay, Fx. So, the first one is 0 untuk X less than 0. Yang kedua adalah 1 over 18 for X more than or equal to 0 but less than 1. Okay, next 4 over 8. Kenapa 4? Sebab 3 tambah 1. So 4 over 8 untuk X more than or equal to 1. More than or equal to 1 so maksudnya 0 and 1. Dan less than 2 tak termasuk 2. Next one is 7 over 8 untuk range more than or equal to 2 tapi tidak termasuk 3. And then 1 maksudnya kita boleh tambah semua when X more than or equal to 3. Okay, so this is the CDF that we have. Okay, so from the CDF, find this probability. Okay, so find the probability. So how to do this? X more than 1, less than or equal to 2. So apa yang boleh buat dekat sini? Okay. So it will be, kita boleh katakan probability of, kena jadikan dia X less than equal. So X less than or equal to berapa? Less than or equal to 2. Right? Minus probability of X less than, ni tak termasuk. Kita nak tolak 1. So, tolak 1. 2 ke bawah, tolak 1 ke bawah. So, you will get 2 sahaja. Betul tak? Okay, 1 tak termasuk. So, it is F2 minus F1, which is 7/8 minus 4/8. The answer is 3/8. Okay. Yang kedua, a probability of X more than 0 but less than or equal to 2. So it will be probability of X less than or equal to 2. Okay, 2 termasuk, 1 tak termasuk. So kita tolak 1. X less than or equal to, 0 tak termasuk. So X equal to 2. So the answer will be F2 minus F0. So yang termasuk hanyalah 1 and 2 sahaja. Kalau 1 and 2 kita guna ni, nak check lah, nak double check. It is 6/8. So the answer will be 7/8. Okay, F2 minus F0, 1/8. So the answer is 6/8. How about this? This one will be simply F2 minus F1. Here, F1 minus F0. Okay, so try to imagine and try to do the exercises more on this topic. Okay, next I nak tunjukkan macam mana cara nak buat graph for discrete. Okay, dia senang je sebenarnya. Kalau you tengok kat sini, dia punya y-axis adalah probability dan x-axis adalah nilai possible value of x. So if we have, tadi kan daripada table kita ada value x dan value fx. So just plot sahaja. So draw the dash line ataupun the solid line pun tak ada masalah. Okay, just draw. So kat sini ni, ini value di sini adalah value probability of x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2, probability of x equal to 3, probability of x equal to 4. So daripada table ni kita boleh tengok whether our distribution is normal or not ataupun symmetrical or not. Okay, if you can see here, it is symmetrical and normal. Okay, it's like histogram. Ataupun boleh juga ubah kepada dalam bentuk histogram macam ni, which is tadi kat tengah-tengah ni, ya, di antara 0 and 1, you kena cari nilai tengah dia. Nilai tengah dia kat sini, so create the line sahaja. Okay, letak antara tengah dia ni, cari the midpoint here, and then just draw the line to get the bar of the histogram. So from here kita lagi nampaklah dia punya shape of the distribution. Okay, and the next one, ini pula adalah discrete cumulative distribution function. So sama juga tadi, you punya y-axis adalah PDF value. Di sini you punya x-axis adalah CDF value. Okay, cumulative distribution value. X di sini adalah possible value. So means that here point dekat sini ni adalah untuk capital F0. Sini capital F1, capital F2, capital F3, capital F4. So because of the cumulative kan, so dia nampak macam ladder kat sini. Dia macam tangga sebab cumulative adalah value yang terkumpul. So that's it. For discrete probability distribution.